In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a meeting link on Microsoft Teams. With so many people working and collaborating remotely, knowing how to effectively share a meeting link on Teams can greatly enhance our communication efficiency, whether you're coordinating with a team or just setting up a simple virtual coffee chat. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you've launched the application, you'll see a navigation pane either on the left side or at the bottom of the screen, depending on your device. Here, look for the Calendar tab and click or tap on it. The Calendar feature in Teams is essentially where all your virtual meeting magic happens. Once you're in the calendar, you'll see a layout of your scheduled activities, along with any existing meetings you've planned or been invited to. Now, to create a new meeting, move your attention to the upper right area of the screen and select the New Meeting button. Upon doing this, a window will appear, prompting you to fill out some important details about your meeting. Here, it's a good practice to provide a descriptive title. Add the participants you want to invite by typing their names or emails into the Invite Attendees field. This ensures everyone needed for the meeting is anticipated and informed. Next, choose your meeting's date and time. Be sure you adjust the time zone if necessary, especially when collaborating with people across different regions. Filling out this information clearly helps avoid scheduling conflicts and ensures better attendance. Once all your meeting details are entered, click on Save to create the meeting, which will appear on your calendar. So, after saving, you'll notice your newly created meeting nestled in your calendar view. This is where you can now retrieve and share the link. Click on the meeting entry you just created. This action will pull up the meeting details, and on this page, you'll see the option that says Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. Right-click on this link to copy it. This is the unique link, tailored specifically for this meeting, which you can share with anyone who needs to access it. Now let's talk about a few easy ways to share this link. You can paste it directly into an email, a chat, or any messaging app you and your team or contacts use. That's it. The recipient only needs to click the link, and they'll be prompted to join your meeting when the time comes. With this easy-to-follow approach, you're now ready to share a meeting link on Microsoft Teams like a pro, ultimately ensuring your communication is seamless and structured. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy meeting!